going back to the quick start, okay? I want to initiate a project, right? From one of our existing templates. Right, so I will go here, I will write template. Okay. You see, those are private still, so those users cannot see them yet, but those are publicly available. And let's say I'm going to take the Hello World integration example. Okay, I want to grab that one. And this is what the documentation said. The Hello World template, that's the simplest template that we offer. All that it does, whatever you send when you deploy it, whenever you send something to WhatsApp, to our number, you get the same message with a prefix of hello. So if I'm going to send hello, I will get hello alone back. Okay? So it's like an echo server.
Okay.
Okay. But let's instead, before we just copy and paste it, I want you to understand what is happening. Right? We saw that we can do -- help on commands. So let's explore what RB-create is. RB-create -- help. You see? Create a relay integration project from a template. And to use it, I need to do RB-create path, so the project location, -t, that's the required attribute, -t, path to Git repository with the template. Okay? And this is what we see here. RB-create hello world, that will be the project path, -t, the link to our GitHub hello world integration template. I'm just going to copy and paste it.
And that link could be, now that's you're linking now to our GitHub, but where could this link will be different to where?
So that goes to our account, right? RELE.AI / hello world integration template. But if I wanted to use, let's say, the Jira integration one.
Another tool that is not GitHub.
So we're supporting every Git repository management tool. So it's GitHub, Bitbucket, GitLab, the big ones.
Okay, good.
If you're managing your own way of code, which is odd, we're not supporting that.
Okay, so it's very odd that this will happen.
Okay, so I'm going to grab that and create this hello world template. All right. First of all, let me clear that. Good. RB-create template. And basically what templates are, it's a set of questions. So in this case, I only have one question because it's very, very simple integration. It's a set of questions that allows us, Relay, to get those answers and then generate a repository, a source code repository for the user to work with. Okay, so we're collecting everything that we need prior to generating the code, and then we're creating it for you. So I'm going to grab my token. Okay, and I will get in a minute to what the token is. You see now it tells me, go to cd temp hello world. That's the project I just created. So I wrote RB-create hello world, and it created me a folder named hello world. Okay. And that's the project I just created. Basically, it's a folder, okay? With
what software is this?
This one is Visual Studio Code, but it's just another way to see this one. Okay, so if I open this.
Okay, understood. Okay. So this is still saving in your own local computer.
I just created, basically what happened, I did RB-create. It generated a set of files that sits in my computer for me. I didn't need to do all of that. Relay did it for me.
Okay, I have a question.
Yes.
Is it normal for this stuff to always be saved in your computer, or is it going to be done in the cloud?
So basically what is happening usually is that you do changes on your computer and then you're committing them to Git. Okay, so for example, locally, Relay, we have everything stored on GitHub, but we are not working on GitHub. We are cloning the data to our local computer, We're working on our local computer, we're developing, we're running tests, we're running the servers, we're doing everything on our computer. And when we're done, we're pushing it back to GitHub. Okay.
This is why you need massive hard drives.
Exactly. But actually not the source code, because that one, it's nothing. It's like, should be like few kilobytes. The source code itself is few kilobytes. But Docker images, that's what you need, massive hard drives.
Okay.
It's part of building it, yeah. So we created that project. We have everything here, okay? And since no developer is working with this Finder, we're all using VS Code or something else. There are few code editors out there. So here I have the same thing, right? I have all the files that Relay created for me from the Hello World template. And what did we get here? So we get here a set of environment variables. We get here the Docker file. So the Docker file is basically, Docker is basically a tool that helps you build images. So snapshots of a given environment that you can then run in the cloud. Okay. So you have Docker file, and then you have the source code itself, right? You get a predefined integration to basically nothing. So we're just echoing it back. We are having the workflow configurations. Okay. So I get everything out of the box here. Now, I will continue to follow the instructions, okay? So I created a project, we explored the project together, and now we will install the dependencies. So once again, NPM, the Node Package Manager, and I need to install all the tools that this project uses. So like we really created a library that we're then providing the clients, we really also use libraries, open source libraries. So I need to install that. So I'm going to do npm install.
And this is all these step-by-step is available in our documentation?
Yeah, you see, RB create, npm install. And basically, we're guiding the user here on what to do. Ngrok is, since the way that it works, the system works, is that Relay is requesting and pushing data to an agent that sits with our clients. So the integration, they store it, they maintain it on the cloud, and we need to initiate the request for the data, or we need to initiate the request to send data. That integration, that agent, needs to be available on the internet, right? How to set it up on Mac, okay, so Mac users, but also a guide, their guide, Ngrok guide, to download and set up on every environment.
Okay.
And how to obtain the key, so screenshots from their system, and how to run it on your computer. So it's a copy-paste thing.
Cool.
Okay. So now that we installed it, we installed Ngrok. I don't need to do this installation because I already have it, right? But I will just copy and paste that. Now I can go back here and I can keep following the instructions. So I have npm install, now npm run tokens. So we never, in the company internally, we never built an integration. We're always building templates.